Hey, Mikey here, founder of the 12-week AI Mastery course. And my mission is to help 1 million people master AI agents so that they don't master you. This isn't just another release. This is a weapon upgrade for anyone who builds anything online. They call it GPT 4.1. But what it really is the beginning of the end for slow apps, bad agents, and clueless code. What is it? It's OpenAI's new family of three models: GPT 4.1, the big brain; GPT 4.1 mini, the lean speedster; GPT 4.1 nano, the micro killer that eats tasks alive. All three are smarter than 4.0, faster than 4.5, capable of handling 1 million tokens. Yes, even the nano one. They don't just remember more, they think deeper, code cleaner. Follow instructions like a Navy SEAL. When should you use it? When you're sick of your I giving you half baked answers. When you want to, build production ready apps in one shot. Analyze logs like an FBI agent. Extract golden needles from document haystacks. Create front ends that don't look like intern projects. You use it when it matters. When speed, accuracy, and context are the difference between cool demo and real revenue. Why should you use it? Because it beats GPT 4.0 and 4.5 on every benchmark. It costs less to run. No more prompt hacks just to make it follow instructions. No price hike for long context. No more chatbots that forget what you said 3 turns ago. This thing reads, remembers, and reasons, even across 1 million tokens. This isn't just AI, it's your unfair advantage. You're not building with AI anymore. You're building with the best AI ever made, one that follows complex logic, writes scalable code, and builds entire apps off a single prompt. And you